Hi, my name is Teacher Lilibet, but you can call me Teacher Bet. I am 36 years old from Philippines. I am a passionate English teacher with a TEFL certificate, which means I am qualified to teach a student from beginner to advanced level to make learned English fun, interactive, and exciting. I am focused teaching in pronunciation, speaking, listening, reading, and communication skills based on your unique needs. We can make also sing, dance, and play. Whether you're looking to improve your English from school or everyday conversation, I am here to support you every step of the way. Don't worry about mistake. We will fix it and learn together. Come, book me a class now as your English teacher. Bye!